Greetings from Nyboviksbadet in Gladö Kvarn on this 19th of June 2025, Thursday. Currently it is 6 p.m. and the sun is finally back after being cloudy most of the day. So I'm gonna do second try now of a beach adventure here and see whichever turns out best to post. It's been 2 years and 2 months since I have started my beach adventures on my channel, and I have started them right here on this very same spot where I posted the first beach adventure of 2023, right here when the lake was frozen. So I'm back to my roots where it all started. I'm all alone on the beach right now. There is nobody here. Maybe because it was cloudy all of the day and it's only 17 degrees Celsius in the air. It's quite a big beach, mostly with grass. And here is my cube that got me here at 12.8 kilometers, around I don't remember how many minutes, but it was quite a nice ride. And yeah, the sun is up and I'm gonna go in for a swim here at the Gladö Kvarn lake, that is. What else? Yes, beach number 34 today, that is. And yeah, it is 19 degrees Celsius in the lake and 17 in the air. So let's not wait any longer and go in for a swim here at Nyboviksbadet in Gladö Kvarn. Isn't it amazing? So much better when the sun is out. All right, so there is a sign not to dive, as it is very shallow right here where I am. So, and yes, I also came here because there was a request from one subscriber in one of the comments to come again to Gladö Kvarn. So here I am, as being called indeed. So let's go in for a swim here in this beautiful natural lake in Stockholm, actually in Huddinge municipality, but region of Stockholm for sure. All right, ready, set, and go. Amazing, beautiful swim in the lake Gladö Kvarn. I'm not really sure why the beach is called Nyboviksbadet, as it can be called as the main beach in Gladö Kvarn. That is a neighborhood right here. There is even a floating jetty right there that I have been on, actually last time I was here. Let's see how it looks like from the close-up as we enjoy this wonderful swim in the lake. So beach adventures in Sweden are in full swing, and tomorrow will be the longest day of the year. Okay, not sure if this is going to be tomorrow or the day after, but the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere is on the 21st of June, I think, at 4 a.m. I'm on the jetty, on the dock here, the floating jetty. I think there are no steps. I can technically go in, but I'm not in the mood for a jump, so I will just continue swimming. And let me show you more of the nature around and what my view is currently. Yeah, I don't usually come to this lake as I don't really like the road to get here. There are lots of cars, and I realized that today is mostly half day actually for work. So there were lots of cars on the roads around 3 p.m. when I was cycling. And midsummer is coming, the biggest holiday in Sweden, which denotes the summer. So Friday tomorrow is a non-working day, but the main celebration is on Saturday. I haven't planned anything. I will be probably going for a beach adventure somewhere and celebrate midsummer that way. Maybe I can bring some strawberries that are widely eaten for midsummer. So yeah, greetings from Gladö Kvarn, from Nyboviksbadet. I'm gonna be chilling a bit more on the jetty before I head back with my bicycle back home for 12.8 kilometers. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this episode. Greetings from Gladö Kvarn, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.